Hey guys, so today is all about music, and we know that our tap dancing, especially, is good for helping us make music. We bring out different accent points in the song. Sometimes we can do it a cappella, so things like are a fun example of ways we can make music with our feet. Well, today I am challenging us to find another way to make music by using things we potentially have around the house. So, when I was a kid, I used to ask my grandmother if I could play on our pots and pans. So, I'm kind of doing that again. I brought with me some tongs, which you can make music with by themselves. I also have a spatula. These are items that are just fun sometimes to play with. I have a coffee can, I have a pie tin, I have a bunt lid, I have another type of pie tin just to give us a different sound, and I've got a bread pan. So, you can try making your own music and get creative. Try to figure out if you can make your own song and have a blast. I also have our tap sticks like what we use at the studio, in which case my pre-dancers should be able to remember going 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4. And we practice sets of 6 or 8 or going double time where we can go and 1 and 2 and 3, or we can go 1 and 2 and 3. If all else fails, you always have your hands, and you can also make music with your legs and your hands. If you can try snapping. You have all these different options of things that lay at your fingertips. I understand not everybody probably has tap sticks laying around, but you can also use things like pens, or you can use like your fingertips to make sounds and just have some fun. So, if you feel so inclined, feel free to share with things that you've created. Don't be afraid to explore. See if you can make a guitar or other types of instruments with things you possibly have laying around. After this video, we have a really awesome artist that I will be sharing with you that I think you guys would enjoy if you check him out. He does a lot of music and is really inspiring to listen to and watch perform. So I hope you enjoy that, and I will see you tomorrow.